Hello, Corporal for Dem for Township being recorded. Can I get your license registration for insurance?
Absolutely. Sorry. I was thinking about
How much do you have to drink tonight?
Drink tonight?
Yeah.
Nothing since, I don't even know, like 8?
Okay. I can smell it a little bit, that's why I'm asking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, I didn't drink anything since like 8.
Okay. I mean, maybe you're just sweating it out. Maybe that's what's making the smell.
No, I don't think I'm sorry. I don't think
I mean, if you drank earlier, usually you'll have the odor on you.
So I'm not really sure what
The insurance is?
Well, no, I know what it is. I just... Oh, here it is. Yeah.
All right. The reason why I stopped you just because you were kind of driving slow and kind of drifting a little bit. And then I smell the odor of alcohol, which is why I asked you about it. So I'm just going to have you step out. I just want to make sure you're good to drive. All right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Stands 594. Open up for testing.
You need me to turn my car off?
You can turn it off. Leave it on. Doesn't matter. We're just going to step right up into the front of your car. Do you have diabetes or anything like that?
No.
Any medical conditions or injuries that affect your balance?
No.
Do you wear contacts or glasses?
Yes.
If you don't mind me asking, what are you wearing for?
I have a pretty bad eyeglass prescription.
Okay. Do you have contacts in now, or?
Yes.
Okay.
Central 3723 stopping.
All right. Is your problem seeing far or seeing close? Like, would you be able to see the top of my pen?
No, I could not see that. I could see about
There's
this far.
registration.
Okay. I'm going to come a little bit closer, but.
Okay.
5 drinks, a Phillies game. And now she's standing on the side of Route 70 at midnight trying to convince a cop she's perfectly fine to drive. Aaron is holding it together on the outside, but Patrolman Denning didn't pull her over for nothing. He smells it. He sees it. And right now, every single move she makes is either keeping her out of handcuffs or putting her in them. Her 1-year-old is home asleep. Her husband has no idea what's happening. And the next few minutes are going to decide exactly how this night ends.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just going to check your eyes out, okay? What I want you to do is just put your feet together and your hands flat down your side for me, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be.
All right, like I said, I'm just going to look at your eyes, all right? Do you see the top of my pen?
Yes.
All right, I want you to follow the top of my pen with your eyes only, all right? So don't move your head or nothing like that, okay?
Okay. I know it moved my head at one point, but it's not.
94.
Okay, 2519.
All right. What I want you to do next, all right? I want you to take your right foot and put it in front of your left. I know you're wearing. Are those flip-flops? Do you want to do them with them on, or would you rather take them off?
It's fine.
You can do them with them on?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What I want you to do is I want you to take your right foot and put it in front of your left, just like this. All right? And I want you to keep your hands flat down your side. Can you get in that position for me now?
This?
Yep. I want you to remain in that position while I explain and demonstrate the test to you, okay?
Yeah.
Don't begin the test I tell you to start. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. When I tell you to start, I want you to take a series of 9 steps, walking straight down, heel to toe, just like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way down the 9. When you get to that 9th step, I want you to pivot on your left foot, take a few small steps with your right, turn yourself around, and then 9 steps walking back, heel to toe, just like this. 1, 2, 3. Again, you're going to go all the way down the 9. Once you begin the test, do not stop and count out each step out loud.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I think I understand. So 9 steps forward, turn around, 9 steps back.
Yes, heel to
Foot.
toe-ish.
Okay.
Do you fully understand, or you want me to re-explain it to you?
No, I think I understand. Okay, so this.
All right, you can turn around. Just by watching you with your flip-flops, it seems like it kind of
Yeah, I
affects you
feel
a little
like I
bit.
could-
Yeah, would you rather do it without them on?
Okay.
So, 604 out now with 23.
2704.
All right. All right. While we're doing this, I'm just going to re-explain it to you again, okay?
Yeah.
All right, what I want you to do is take your right foot and put it in front of your left, just like this. All right, you can do that now?
Yep.
All right, I want you to remain in that position while I explain and demonstrate the test to you. Do you understand? Don't begin the test I tell you to start. Do you understand? All right, when I tell you to start, I want you to take a series of 9 steps, walking heel to toe, straight down, just like this. 1, 2, 3. When you get to that 9th step, I want you to take your front foot, leave it on the ground, and take a few small steps with your back foot. Turn yourself around just like this, all right? Then I want you to take 9 steps, walking heel to toe, back. 1, 2, 3. Once you begin the test, do not stop and count out each step out loud. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
This is step. And that's 1 step.
No.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Okay. All right, what I want you to do next, all right? Feet together, hands flat down at your side for me, all right? All right, again, I'm going to explain, demonstrate the test. I want you to stay in that position until I tell you to start. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. When I tell you to start, I want you to raise either your left or your right foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, just like this. Keep that bottom of your foot parallel to the surface. I want you to look straight down at your toe and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003. Continue to count until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Okay, yes, I understand.
All right, go ahead.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 14, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026.
So you put your foot down. All right, one last test for me, okay? I want you to keep your feet together, your hands flat down at your side. All right, I want you to take your pointer fingers and put them out just like this.
This.
All right? I'm going to keep my eyes open for this for demonstration purposes, but you're going to perform this test with your eyes closed, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a direction. So when I say left, I want you to use the very tip of your left index finger, all right? Don't use the pad, just the very tip of your finger. You're going to bring it straight up to the tip of your nose. You're going to bring it straight back down. All right? When I say right, same thing, just using the very tip of your finger, not the pad, just the very tip of your finger. You're going to bring it straight up, touch the tip of your nose. You're going to bring it straight back down.
2020.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah,
All
seems too simple, but yes.
All right. All right, you can close your eyes now.
Okay.
Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. All right, you can open your eyes for me. All right, you can turn around for me. You're in place under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Excuse me? Why? You can't be serious. Why?
Because I'm determining that I have probable cause to believe that you're driving while intoxicated.
Why?
Based on your the test.
I don't think I did any of the tests incorrectly.
Okay.
I did everything correctly.
We're gonna come straight back over here, okay?
Yeah.
Right.
This is something why.
I did. We're gonna step right back over here, okay?
It's gonna be real.
Sanch 2594. Yeah, just one of those female. That's one of those female. Come walk right up over here, okay?
What is going on? What's that?
Actually, no. Oh, it's just concrete. It's not wet enough.
Wait. I can't. What's going on? Please tell me. This is not real.
Alright, well, once we get to the station, I'll sit you down and we'll explain everything to you, okay?
No. I need my phone. I need my husband.
I'll grab whatever you want me to grab for you.
Please tell me. What are you doing?
Okay, we're gonna come right up over here, okay?
I'm not comfortable with this. What did I fail? Please tell me.
You failed the test. It's all gonna be in the police report.
No. I don't feel
Alright,
comfortable with being told I failed the test.
We're gonna come right up over here.
No. Somebody has to tell me, please.
Alright.
What part did I fail?
Alright, ma'am, please come up over here.
I will come. I'm not trying to fight it. I'm just I'm so.
Alright, you can have a seat right in the car, okay? Do you have anything in your pockets or no? I don't see
I
it.
don't think I might have a card. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you can have a seat.
This is the problem. My husband has my daughter at home who's sleeping. She's literally 1 year old.
Okay, you're not going to jail tonight, okay?
I know, but what the heck is...
Just sit back for me so I can buck you up, alright?
I don't understand why I would be... I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be
Alright, just give me just a couple minutes. What else did you need? You want your phone?
Yeah, I definitely need my phone. I mean, my whole wallet, I guess.
Is your wallet on the seat or where's your wallet?
I don't know, see it. It's either on the seat or, or in the middle or something.
Okay. You can step on out. You can slide the shoes on. I'm going to take the handcuffs off once we get inside.
That'll probably be okay. What's going on with that other hand, actually, to be honest. I know you need a...
Okay, if you want to just wait, I'll bring them in, and once I get you inside, I'll take the cuffs off you.
Okay.
All right, you can go right up towards that officer. Go in here. Need anything out of the car? I'm going to come right up over here. This room right to your left right here.
She's inside the station now, and the breathalyzer doesn't lie, nearly double the legal limit. But before those results can even hold up in court, the machine throws a fault. So Erin is cuffed back up, put in a patrol car, and driven to a second station at Medford Lakes just to start the whole process over again. One-lane drift on Route 70 just turned into a two-station nightmare. Drop your thoughts below. Do you think the outcome of this case was fair? And if you want more real-life body cam breakdowns just like this one, hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next.